What is good, guys? Back again. It's been a minute. Been a minute since I sat in this here chair, boy. You know? Been looking at these losses lately, guys. Oh my god. Guys. Dude, take cover, bro. Get the fuck down. Get the fuck down, bruh. Nah, but seriously, yeah, we've been getting hammered. The market has been getting destroyed. I've been singing this song all week. All day long I sit here, refreshing my coin days. Money's going to waste, about to catch me a case. Yeah, guys, Bitcoin. These Fed meetings, man, Bitcoin keeps showing weakness. All coins are going to keep getting hammered. That's the sad thing. But I think the Fed is bluffing, guys. It's fucking election year. You know what I mean? What? It's election year. I think we might get rate cuts the next Fed meeting. So we just got some good news today. PPI came in cooler than expected. Came in cool. Let me pull up this CME Fed Watch tool. Yeah. Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. Yeah, so we get the next Fed meeting into the end of July, I think. 47 days. That's like an eternity in crypto, guys. Let's see what they're talking about here. Yeah, 12.4% chance of ease, 87%, 0.6% chance of no change. No surprise there, 0% chance of hike. Let's see, yep, July 31st. So I think that might be the day, guys. And then what sucks is these Fed meetings are like every fucking 50 days or whatever. Okay. We're probably just going to be ranging. Don't be surprised if Bitcoin just ranges between like 65, 70K underneath all-time highs. Unless some kind of catalyst comes out, you know. Just don't be surprised, guys. This, like I said in my other videos, all my videos I say this. Every situation there's disadvantage, you got an advantage and a disadvantage. Yeah, it sucks, you know. We could be moving sideways for the next 47 days until this fucking Fed meeting, alright? That's one possibility. Other possibility is Bitcoin does what it wants, when it wants, how the fuck it wants, wherever it wants, you know? Who's to tell that these interest rates aren't going to stop Bitcoin, guys? I mean, the price is obviously being fucking manipulated because there's so much fucking massive whale accumulation of Bitcoin right now. It just doesn't make fucking sense. Like today, I feel like I got smacked in the head with a reverse Uno. Like, you know, all the higher time frames are signaling upside, upside. You know, you can't really zoom in and tell what day. It could be weeks, it could be a month, you know, I don't know. But guys, it just doesn't make sense because why would the market be dumping? Or why would the crypto market be dumping off of cooler inflation news and higher jobless claims? That signals a fucking rate cut, you know? It's confusing to me. It's just like as soon as I think I figure it out, I get fucking smacked in the head with that reverse Uno, boy. You know what I mean? And altcoins have been getting fucking slaughtered. No one has been safe. No altcoin has been safe. Even Arcblock, even the fucking juggernaut Arcblock got fucking destroyed. But here's something I want to talk about Arcblock real quick. Yeah. This is their 2024 roadmap. Basically talking about what they're doing for the whole year. Let me just scroll down. I don't need to read all this shit. Okay, let's go over their main goals. Arcblock's 2024 roadmap. Announce upcoming strategic partnerships throughout 2024. Maintain platform stability, performance, and security. Increase the quantity and quality of basic applications in Blocklet. Develop a builders community to help builders achieve more success. Invest and delegate time for high-rank applications deployed on our Arcblock platform, all while developing blockbuster applications. Promote revenue growth and share substantial tangible returns with ecological partners. Okay, so let me just scroll on down here a little bit more. Q1, Arcblock leads products will officially graduate. Lead products, sorry. Yes, like their AI app engine and decentralized identity. The shit they've been building, guys. That's really their advertisement and just coming out with these products. That was their strategy for Q1, Q2. Arcblock ecosystem build up with emphasis on marketing and education. We'll begin a new innovative form. Let me just not read all this. Q3, launch of a global builders hackathon. Q4, scaling Arcblock with our builders conference. Yes, guys. So I just wanted to share this real quick, what they plan on doing, and guys, they got a lot of shit in the pipeline. Trust me. Arcblock has been building. They have been building these bags up, and Arcblock is down dramatically right now. It's down like 50% from its all-time high. Let me just pull up the old Arcblock real quick on here. Where the fuck do I search on this end? Really annoying. Oh, wow. Okay, ABT. Let's just see what Arcblock is doing. It's number 252 on the top coin list. It's been climbing the range. Damn, 266. I saw it went down to 240 something. I was just like, that shit made me shiver me timbers, boy. Guys, it's 271. Oh shit, boy. Here we go. Looks like some volume's coming back in. Oh yeah, volume is definitely coming back in. People are scooping up Arcblock. You already know. Arcblock is going to make so much fucking life-changing gains, guys. You might as well move that decimal over like 2 digits to the right, and that's about. That's about what Arcblock's going to be. Not financial advice, but yeah, I definitely am an Arcblock whale, kind of. I got well over 7,000. All right, what am I doing here? Okay, yeah, let me look at this this economic calendar for next week, guys. I don't think it's much going on next week. Monday, June 17th. No, not really thing. Industrial. I don't know. Tuesday might be something. None of this stuff really matters. Every Thursday we have initial jobless claims, so that's a weekly thing, guys. So get used to that. Every Thursday at 8:30 in the morning, especially towards these Fed meetings before the CPI. That's really the only thing that might be moving markets. Is that initial jobless claims. These other ones, I don't know too much. I don't know. Maybe Friday the PMI might move. I don't know, guys. I know for sure the jobs data moves markets. So if we get more initial jobless claims, it comes in higher than expected for next week, then best believe that's probably going to move the market up, because that's what we want to see, like the bench press analogy I was saying. America's on the bench. They're starting to get tired. They see signs of weakness. The Fed comes in, they start taking the plates off. That's them printing money. And what happens when we print money? The dollar goes down and the assets and shit goes up. That's just how it works, guys. I don't make the rules up, That's just how it is in the matrix. And once you figure these things out, you start finding an exit strategy and, beat them at their own fucking game, And that's what we do in cryptocurrency, guys. We're not going to see gains like this in the stock market. That's just a fucking fact. Another quick thing, I want to talk about LCX. I've been accumulating more LCX also. Let me just read this post. This is something I just saw on Twitter that caught my eye, because it's true. LCX will be the next tier 1 because mass adoption of crypto dictates that institutions have regulated safe haven to park their assets. Physical asset tokenization will be key in the super cycle as per BlackRock's 2030 agenda, and LCX has already laid out the framework. It's over. What, boy? Bullish. No, but seriously though, they got 9 regulatory compliant things by Financial Market of Liechtenstein or something. Guys, and the MICA regulation, they're the first ones. MICA's going live in December this year. So best believe fucking LCX is about to come ripping and roaring. They're gonna come ripping and roaring next year, dude. Don't be surprised when LCX is a fucking 2-digit token. I'm trying to tell you, motherfuckers, man. I'm trying to tell y'all, just like I said about Arcblock. You know? Don't sleep on these life-changing gains. Like I say, guys, every situation has an advantage and a disadvantage. These Fed meetings, yes, if we didn't get what we wanted, you know? I mean, it is what it is. We're probably going to continue ranging, like I said. Unless something happens and some big catalyst to move Bitcoin up, don't be surprised if we're just boring price action for another month or two, you know? It is what it is, guys. We could move up, though. We could get dumped. It looks like we're dumping lower, but I don't know. We could have bottomed out. Hopefully we don't lose that $65,000 level, because that's pretty critical, you know? Anything below that is, I mean, we're looking at like 60, 58,000 Bitcoin, and best believe is Bitcoin shows weakness. Altcoins are going to get slaughtered. Slaughtered, dude. It's going to be a fucking slaughterhouse. You know, good time to unload some fucking capital in the market when we hit these times, guys. You gotta remember your why. You know, when you look at your portfolio, and my shit is down thousands, bro. Like, I'm down like 5 figures, you know, and I'm like not that stressed out. Really, I'm not. So I know what the deal is, guys. It's not the funnest times, you know, but these are the times that make who the fuck we are. What you do with these situations, it matters. Are you going to take advantage of it, or are you going to be a little bitch and be like, oh, scared, you know? Deploy some capital, stop looking at this shit, and continue your business, you know? Keep your conviction, you know? It's how you're becoming a successful investor, guys. It's what you do. You don't, you know? It's never an easy path. Somebody commented on one of my videos, and he said a good sailor is never made from some smooth water or something like that. I don't think that's exactly what he said. I said it wrong, but it makes sense, you know? Like, you know, if you take the path of least resistance, it's not going to make you a person that's overcomes adversity easily, you know? If everything is easy to you and something hard comes up, then you're like, oh, fuck, I quit, you know? That's what 99% of people do. And that is why 99% of investors aren't going to be successful. That's why these people get wrecked. And I was one of them. And I stayed, and I was convicted, and I got wrecked enough until I learned, guys. I lost a lot of money. I lost, you know, like $100,000 basically. So, you know, that's a valuable lesson. And time in the market is more valuable than timing the market. You know, that I heard that a long time ago when I first got in, and I thought I was smart because I was making all this money, guys. And then I got wrecked, and I realized that it's true. Time in the market is much more important than timing the market, guys. When you try and time the market, you get fucked, okay? Because you can be the smartest guy out here. And I know quite a lot. I'm not the smartest guy. I'm not the brightest crown in the toolbox. You know, the sharpest tool. You know what I mean? I'm not the sharpest tool. But I do know that this shit is, you just stay convicted, just like anything else, guys, and it's going to work out. You know? Anybody who bought Bitcoin, if you hold it for 4 years, you're in profit. You know? The patient are handsomely fucking rewarded in this space, guys. Handsomely rewarded. There's a lot of valuable lessons it took me to get here. I got wrecked. I had to start all the way over. You know? That shit sucked. But guess what? I did it on days like this. Days like this when shit's tanking. I didn't buy it when I was chasing pumps. I'm about to get my portfolio. I'm about to do some shit with my life, guys. You know? I hope everyone watching my fucking channel gets so much fucking gains you can buy whatever the fuck you want. Because this matrix shit we're living in, I have to be delusional some days. Like, it sucks, you know? Sitting in traffic with no air conditioning and shit. Going to do construction all day. Damn it, man. It's not a way, it's just not a way I want to live my life, guys. And I don't spend my extra money going out and trying to find vices to escape reality. I deal with it and actually push myself, immerse myself more in the shit by trying to get more money to invest, you know? You gotta really work hard to get out of these situations, guys. It's not easy out here. That's why the fuck we do it, you know? You buying these dips, that's how you get rich. It's just fucking facts. Yeah. Other than that, guys, I want to talk about Trump for a second. Now, this is an article. Let me pull this up real quick. Oh, Lord, this computer. This computer's so trash. Alright, yeah, Bitcoin price needs fresh all-time highs to end pump and dump cycles. That is very true, guys. Like I said, until we break above Bitcoin's previous all-time high and hold there, we're just going to be ranging until some kind of rate cuts or some catalyst. Like I said, don't be surprised if we range between $65,000 and $70,000 for the next goddamn month, and altcoins could bleed out until then. As long as Bitcoin is showing weakness, altcoins will bleed. If Bitcoin shows any signs of strength, altcoins will rip. You know, and coins like LCX and Arcblock, these are coins that all these gains, all the losses we just took, in like 1 or 2 days can just recover, you know? So you really need to be fucking looking at accumulating these projects, guys. This is like a one-shot chance. I mean, I'm not saying we could go lower, but, you know, 90 days from now, you're going to be fucking wishing you bought these dips. Especially this time next year, you're going to be like, holy fuck, I could have bought LCX at 22 cents. Holy shit, I could have bought Arcblock at 260, bro. Now it's $100. I fucked up, you know? That's just how it goes, man. No one wants to buy when it's fucked up. This is crazy to me because the market is the only place where shit will be on fire discounts and no one wants to fucking touch it. It's like if you go to Home Depot and they got a whole 12 set Milwaukee cordless tool set. The Fuel series with like a charger and like 3 batteries coming with it, and then it's like 70% off. Dude, I'm buying that shit. I'm scooping that shit quick. You know? Why does no one think like that about investments? If you know something's got a lot of value, it's going to make you money. Especially in the long term, not really the short term. Dude, you know? That's just common sense. I just don't understand why people think like that. That's why I said 99% of investors will get fucking wrecked. Because they have that dumbass, quick money, get rich quick scheme mentality. They're not patient. They try to time the market and they don't spend time in the market. Because if you try to time the market, yeah, okay, if you have time in the market, lots of time, and you'll still get wrecked if you try and time the market. I'm just saying, because it just happened to me. I didn't try to time it, but I tried to predict something that happened and it pulled the reverse Uno, you know? Really, you know, negative 2% cooler than expected PPI report this morning, and higher than expected jobless claims, and Bitcoin and altcoins got smacked in the fucking head with a goddamn 4-pound hammer again. Damn it, boy, you know? It's just wild to me. But really, it's a blessing in disguise. I mean, you can be pissed off or you can build your portfolio. You don't want to be buying Arcblock when it's fucking $6. You want to be buying it when it's $2.60, you know? It's common sense, guys. LCX, 22 cents. You want to be buying it when it's 70 cents? Hello. Hello. Wake the fuck up, dude. It's election year. You know? Trump is about to fucking win, bro. All the crypto voters are voting for Trump, bro. If you hold big bags of crypto, drop a comment, you know? You probably voting for Trump, bro. Tell me who you voting for. You voting for Biden, you voting for Trump. You got big bags of crypto. You already know you're voting Trump, boy. Trump says remaining Bitcoin must be made in the U.S. Hey, hey, that boy Trump. Bullish as fuck. Donald Pump in the house. Former President Donald Trump on Wednesday pushed for all remaining Bitcoin to be mined in the United States, marking his latest shift in support for the crypto industry. End quote. We want all the remaining Bitcoin to be made in the USA. It will help us be energy dominant, Trump wrote Wednesday on Truth Social. The former president argued domestic Bitcoin, which is acquired through an energy intensive computational process called mining, could be the last line of defense against the CBDC, or central bank digital currency. The world's largest CBDC pilot is currently being led by China, or as Trump calls it, China. Other countries are also planning domestic digital currencies. However, the U.S. House last month passed a bill barring the Federal Reserve from issuing a CBDC unless it has explicit authorization from Congress. Trump's Truth Social post also went after President Biden, claiming his hatred of Bitcoin only helps China, Russia, and the radical communist left. Hey, that's true. I don't give a fuck if people get mad about his shit he says. It's true. Like, bro, they are fucking scooping up Bitcoin left and right. They're mining. Why are we not? You know? Wake the fuck up, dude. The Biden administration has been cautious in its approach to cryptocurrency during a period in which the sector has largely been defined by high-profile scandals that have hurt investors. Okay, this is one thing where they like to skew stuff with these Democrats and Gary Gensler. This is the guy that Biden appointed to be the chairman of the SEC. Okay, none of this fuck shit happened really, besides Mt. Gox and all this other stuff. This was different. That was a hack, you know? All this other shit happened with Gary Gensler. The people the Democrats put in office, it fucked everything up the Republicans had. They said ETH wasn't a security, Bitcoin wasn't a security. Now Gary comes on, you know? Old Gary Gensler comes and just shits on everything, starts fucking suing people, says everybody's a fucking security. And yeah, guys, where was he at when FTX collapsed? Where was he at when Celsius collapsed? I lost the whole Bitcoin. Oh, you gotta be